I'm about to try this deep conditioner from Daily Dose. They sent me this so I could try it out. So first of all, I really do like this kind of bottle. It's like easier to squeeze out. It says clean moisture, deep conditioner, hydrate, detangle, defrizz. I need all of that. It says it's perfect for all hair types, makes hair manageable, moisturizes, helps control frizz, detangles, nourishes, softens, strengthens, adds shines, adds smoothness. We also have the little bunny here, which definitely love to see. It says after shampooing, massage through hair, scalp to ends, leave for 3 to 5 minutes or longer. So it does say to put on the scalp. Sometimes conditioners tell you to just put it like on the ends. So that's good. Let's flip it open. Comes out like that. That's nice. Ooh, I like the smell. It's not too strong, but it does have a nice scent. All right, let's try it out. Okay, about to use this in the shower. Here's what it looks like. Nice and creamy. This is good. I'm able to brush through my hair without slathering on a ton of additional leave-in conditioner. Since I started this video, I've used the conditioner at least 4 times. I really like it. I know in the beginning I said it had a light scent, but once you start massaging it into your hair and all that, the scent really like comes alive and it smells stronger. It leaves my hair smelling nice and fresh. I do like the scent. I like the way it feels. In that time I have like completely blow dried my hair and I notice like less frizz and it does lay nicely. I didn't blow dry my hair today because it's so humid out, but I did blow dry right here because if I don't blow dry right here, it gets like really kinky and a weird texture. Like that's where my hair is aging the most. I'm 47 years old. I do notice when I use this conditioner, it is a little less, of that texture I don't like. So I'm overdue for a haircut. All of this is on very grown out hair, but I really love the conditioner. I would buy it and happily use it. It's also a very nice thick texture. Almost feels like a hair mask going on, but also doesn't leave my hair weighed down either.